Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2006 Ford F450, F350, F250, roughly the same box style setup. This one's got a B10 motor in it though. We're doing a radiator. Fairly simple, straightforward. New radiator's already installed. Take the air filter housing right here off, disconnect the mass airflow. I take this tube out of the way so I can gain access and move this hose out of the way easier. Disconnect your drain tube over here for your coolant container. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10, 10. Bracket comes up, bracket comes up. Fan shroud, 8 millimeter here, another 8 millimeter over here. The bottom half of the fan shroud just sits into a bracket on the radiator. So you can lift up the fan shroud and move it back. You don't have to take it all the way out. One less thing you got to do. Underneath, I'm not exactly going to get under there because it's all kind of messy. But you have your two cooler lines, which are standard hose clamps like yay. And then your bottom radiator hose. Just take them off, walk them out of the way, disconnect them, and that's about it. You can move the fan shroud back far enough, slip the radiator out, slip the new one back in. And here there's line-up pegs. There's the same thing on the bottom, so they fit inside of a trough. Pretty simple. And you put everything back together. Add your coolant, let it burp out all the air bubbles, and away you go. That right there is a bleed screw, so that will be loosened up as the coolant goes in to allow the air that's trapped inside the actual engine to escape out, and you have less of a chance of big air bubbles throughout the system. So any questions, comments, please let me know. Please like and subscribe.